Hello mates, welcome to Full Stack Java Developer. I am Kiran Jadhav here. In this session, I will teach you here how to install VS Code in Windows system and how to create the React Hello World application. For that perspective, we'll simply come up with the Chrome browser and simply type here VS Code download. Then simply click on link and here is option available. You can simply click on Windows. Next, it goes to start download, right? And once it downloaded successfully, you can simply show in folder it and simply go to the double click and start with the installation process. See next and go to the finish. But if you want to like create the desktop icon, right, you can simply check it actually. Yes, now you can simply go to the next and then click on install. It will start with the installation. Then see VS Code, the long form is Visual Studio Code, and this editor we are using for React.js as a front end perspective. If you are using Angular Vue.js, then also you can use the VS Code actually. It means for front-end technologies, we are using editor as a VS Code. Then upcoming sessions, we are going to create the React.js playlist. There I am using VS Code itself. Now we are just waiting to get it installed. Okay. Yes, once it installs successfully, then we'll simply click on finish. Simply click on finish. It shows like launch the VS Code as well. See, it launched the VS Code here, right? Perfect. Then if you want to like create the React.js application from VS Code, that also possible. For that, you can simply come up with the new terminal and open the terminal. And whatever like steps we are going to follow in command prompt, same step you need to follow in terminal, VS Code terminal. But I will recommend if you are newcomers, then you can simply go ahead with your particular folder and there you can type the CMD. See, it will goes to open command prompt. Then how we are going to create the React.js application? For that perspective, before checking like before going ahead with the creation of React.js application, simply check Node.js is installed or not. Node-v. If Node is not available there, you can follow our session, get the Node installed in your local, and then you can start with the React application. Then see how to create the React application. For that, you can simply use npm create at with sorry, you can simply say with at latest and then give the application name. I'm giving here my first example, my first example. Simply hit enter. See, it will start to create the React.js application. Then which framework we want to use? We are going to use here React.js. Then simply click on React and then select the variant, which variant you want. I will prefer to use here JavaScript, okay, because we are just going to create the hello world application, that's why. Then select in the JavaScript. Then application is created successfully. The next step, what they are saying, you can simply use cd and just like go to the my first example. Then we have only one folder, simply press the tab button. It will open my first example here. Now hit enter and then you can use the npm install. But before going out with the npm install, we'll import this application into our VS Code. See, here is it. I'm just going to copy the path. Coming to VS Code, simply goes to file. There is option available open folder, and there you can simply paste the path whatever we copied. Then select folder. It will open this particular folder. See, just click on I trust here, right? Yes. See, we are just checking here this folder. Goes to file, open folder one more time because I'm not able to see the exact folder there, right? Yeah. Then we have available local disk drive. There is available full stack React.js and this is our application. You can simply check it manually as well if you haven't copied. Okay. Then select folder. So this folder is available there, right? Yes. Just click on I trust. Yes, I trust the authors. Perfect. Then here you are not able to see node underscore module folder. When it goes to create, once you are using here npm install, right? Then it will goes to create node underscore module folder. Simply use npm install. See, it will start to create the node underscore module folder, and this is the folder, like this is the supportive folder to run our React application. Now if you want to check, see here is it available node underscore module folder. I think we need to wait actually. Yes, here is it. Have you seen? See, I just highlighted node underscore module folder, right? And itself available number of files, you can simply say. You not need to worry about those number of files. Now you can simply select node underscore module folder. It like this is the folder. It will help us to run our React application. In upcoming sessions, I will explain you in detail the folder structure as well. In this session, I will focus on only concentrate the installation of VS Code and run the Hello World application in React.js. Then we are just checking, see, the npm install also done successfully. Then next, we are just going to use npm run dev to run the React application. Simply use npm run dev. It will start our React application. See one screen. And for that perspective, you can simply come up with the http://localhost. This is the port number available 5173, right? Click on that directly. See, it will open like with plus React. And yes, here is like hello world option we are going to perform, right? For that perspective, I am just doing some code changes. If you are come up with the src, right? See, there is available app.js file, correct? And if you are checking with public, see, there is available with ssg file available there, right? Yeah, see, here is it. Now you can simply come up with the app.js file, and in app.js file, here we are just going to add one h1 tag. I don't want to show any counts there actually. You can simply say I am just going to add here h1 tag. Yes, we are just going to add h1 tag. Other than that, I will delete everything from here. Okay, yeah, you can simply say this is the paragraph, right? We have added, fine. This is started here, right? Yeah, we'll delete this entire things. Yeah, perfect. And in H1, I'm giving here welcome to full stack Java developer Pune. See, like this is the heading like we're expecting there actually, right? Yeah. After bit plus React, we are expecting like H1, it means larger heading. Welcome to full stack Java developer Pune. And if you want to add website, right? I'm just adding in paragraph. You can simply say, please visit us at, right? www.fullstackjavadeveloper.in. If you want to add, yes. Now simply save it. We're just coming back to here, right? See, here is it. And this is very larger heading actually looks. Okay. I'm just doing control Z here. Yeah. And yes, that will be fine. You can simply refresh the web page. See, here is it. Welcome to Full Stack Java Developer Pune. And I just given some paragraph like please visit us at www.fullstackjavadeveloper.in. Anyway, this is like just hello world application, right? And once like we are seeing this hello world application, it means like we have just installed the VS code, and in that we have created the hello world application. Then upcoming sessions, I will create the React.js playlist from basics. There I am going to start with the hello world. I will explain the first project structure, and then we'll start with the implementation part. Then we'll cover up there React basics, React components, definitely whatever features in ES7, those also ES6 we are going to cover up those features as well. Again we are going to cover up like a React state, hook, store, everything in advanced level. Okay, yes. And one more thing, in this session we have just created like installation of our VS code and just added the hello world application, fine. Whatever like folder structure and everything we'll see once we'll start with the React.js playlist in detail. Fine? Yeah. In the month of May, I will start to work on React.js playlist. Then stay tuned with our Full Stack Java Developer YouTube channel. And if you are facing any difficulties, feel free to add your comments in comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share, subscribe the channel to get more updates, and see you in next video.